Hello everyone, we are excited to present our project, a modern bookstore web application built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This app provides a sleek and an interactive UI to explore the books, create a profile, manage favorites and simulate the shopping. Let's begin. So this is the source code for our bookstore web app project, which is developed using the HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript. It forms the foundation of all the features we will be demonstrating, including the profile creation, a categorized books, library, favorites, and a card functionality, all with a clean and a responsive user interface.
Next, we will see about the home page overview. On launch, the home page welcomes user with a bold title and a tagline encouraging book discovery. We have designed 6 main features using colorful tiles with icons, home, cart, profile, favorite, library, and about. The navigation bar on top mirrors these icons for quick access.
Let's see about the profile page. Clicking on the profile opens a clean and a profile creation form. So this is the profile creation form. This captures user details like name, age, email, phone number, and the address. This form uses the modern CSS, styling, grid layout, and the responsive design, ensuring it looks on a great both desktop and the mobile. When submitted, the form validates the input and shows the success alert.
The library and the books. The library section is one of the main highlights. It categorizes books into textbook, reference book, religious, scientific, historical, and the biography. Each category uses a tile-based layout. When clicked it shows the relevant books using JavaScript DOM manipulation. Books display with the title, author, price, and the 2 buttons added to cart and buy now. There is also a heart icon to mark as a favorite stored in a local storage.
Let's talk about the favorites and the card functionality. Though the favorite section is a placeholder, the logic is implemented using the local storage. Clicking the heart icon toggles the books as a favorite visually and stores the data persistently. The card feature uses the local storage too, allowing the multiple books to be added for the checkout simulation.
Next, the design and the responsiveness. We focused heavily on UI UX design. It includes the gradient in header, hover animations, button effects, responsive layout using media queries, and for smaller screen, the layout adjusts automatically to stack elements and it fit content neatly.
Text stack summary. Here the text breakdown, HTML for the structure, CSS for the beautiful layout and the responsiveness, vanilla JavaScript for the dynamic interactivity, local storage for the temporary data storage like card and the favorites.
Next, lastly, conclusion. This project demonstrates how you can build a feature-rich, visually applying bookstore front-end without any external libraries for frameworks. Thank you for watching our project demo. We hope you liked our bookstore web app.
This project is mainly developed by Sinchana M and Shreyas S. Kanagi from CSE department, powered by HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Thank you.